If you've bought yourself or your kids a budget-friendly tablet over the past 12 months, there's a very good chance that what you have is an Amazon Fire tablet. Amazon has completely dominated that accessible part of the market, and while you may be using it for watching videos, reading books, playing games or downloading apps, there's still more that you can do with it. I'm Cam Bunton from Pocket-lint, and in this video I'm going to show you some of my favourite tips and tricks to try on your Fire tablet. And while you're here, if you could hit that like button, subscribe and tap the notification bell, that would be magical. Now for a lot of these tips it's worth knowing where to find your settings menu, and that's easy. To do that you can either tap the huge settings cog in the home screen or drop down the notification shade from the top, and then tap the little cog icon. So my first tip is enabling Alexa and making it hands-free. So if you head into settings, find Alexa in the menu, then toggle Alexa on. It enables the ability to use your tablet in a similar way you'd use an Echo speaker. To make it a more hands-free experience so that you don't need to press the home button to activate it, tap the hands-free mode option. Now toggle it on, and whenever you say Alexa, the smart assistant will show up ready for instructions. Next tip is changing your Alexa wake word. So your wake word is the word that Alexa's listening out for in order to engage with you. By default, of course, that's Alexa, but you can change it. Stay in your Alexa hands-free settings, and with it switched on, you can select wake word from the list. Now you can choose between either Alexa or Amazon. Sadly, no other option for the Fire tablet, so you can't choose Echo or computer. Now number 3 is enabling show mode. Now Fire tablets have something called show mode, which essentially turns your tablet into an Echo show. The interface completely changes. So drop down the quick settings shade from the top and toggle the show mode switch right at the top. Or you can say Alexa switch to show mode, and it'll do it via voice command. To disable, just drop down the quick settings again and toggle the switch off, or say Alexa exit show mode. Now the next tip is all about customizing show mode. So because you have show mode, that means you can actually customize the way it looks and what it does, similar to an Echo show. So go to your settings and find show mode. Here you can find things like the home screen option for changing the wallpaper gallery slideshow that appears. You can also choose whether you want the clock to appear in ambient mode even when the screen is inactive. You can even switch on subtitling for Alexa's responses by tapping on accessibility and toggling on the subtitling, which brings us nicely to the next tip, and that's customizing Alexa's subtitles. If you have Alexa subtitles switched on in show mode, you can adjust the size and style of subtitles by tapping Alexa subtitling preferences. Here you can choose your text size, the text color, the font, even the background style or the color of the text background. So number 6 is getting to your device dashboard straight from your lock screen without having to unlock your tablet. So the device dashboard on your Fire tablet is essentially the hub for controlling any smart home devices you've got set to work with Alexa, and you can access it from the lock screen without unlocking the tablet if you want to. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy. Now find Device Dashboard and toggle on to enable Access Device Dashboard from the lock screen. To toggle it on. Now you can just swipe the little icon in the left corner of your lock screen to get to the dashboard. Number 7 is pinning apps. So if you're handing the tablet to someone else and you want to restrict them to a specific app while they have it, for instance if you're giving the tablet to one of your kids for a while, you can do that by enabling app pinning. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, and now select app pinning and toggle it on. Open the app that you want to pin, and then open the app switcher view by tapping the little square at the bottom of the screen. Now find the app you want to pin and tap the orange pin icon to pin it. To unpin it, tap the back and app switcher buttons together and it'll return you to your lock screen where you'll need to type in your pin to get back into your tablet. Number 8 is scheduling your Smart Suspend. Now Smart Suspend is an automatic feature that cuts off your wireless connections automatically when you're not using the tablet. However, you can enable it to come on automatically at set times instead. Just go to Settings, Battery, and find Scheduled Smart Suspend to switch it on. Then choose a time that suits you. And on a similar note, our next tip is automatic blue shade enabling. So the Fire tablet blue shade filter is essentially a night mode for the screen that filters out blue light to help you relax at nighttime. Go to Settings, Display and Blue Shade, and now toggle it on. Also toggle on the automatic activation switch and choose the time that you want it to be active. And lastly, reorganize your library. So when you swipe left from your home screen, you get to your library view, and that shows you your Kindle books, your apps, your games, and other content. If you want to reorder so games or apps are above books or videos is at the top, just swipe until you get to the bottom and tap Customize. Drag the menu options until they're in the order you want, or deselect any that you don't want. So there's 10 tips to try on your Fire 10 tablet. If you've liked this video, please do leave that thumbs up. If you find it useful, hit subscribe and you'll get more of them. I'm Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media. You can find me on there and follow me. Leave a comment down below if you have any other questions, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.